Welcome to another episode of Stargazer. Today we will explore some stars of our cosmic neighborhood. Equipped with different camera lenses, we will take a look at some beautiful giants. If you have participated in the quiz last episode, you might know how we will start today's show. Right, we replace our Sun with Sirius A. Sirius is the brightest star in the night sky and part of a binary system with a faint white dwarf companion, Sirius B, discovered in 1862 by Alvin Clark. Sirius A is about twice as heavy as our Sun, but isn't as bright as some other famous stars like Canopus, Betelgeuse, or Rigel. The Sirius star system is between 200 and 300 million years old. Originally, it had two bright blue stars. The bigger one, Sirius B, used up its hydrogen fuel and turned into a red giant. About 120 million years ago, it shed its outer layers and collapsed into a white dwarf, which is what we see today. Sirius is also known as the dog star because it shines so brightly in its constellation, Canis Major, the big dog. Here you can see where Sirius is located on the map. This is a graphic showing the orbit of Sirius B around A, as seen from Earth. Sirius B is a fascinating star. Even though it's a white dwarf and much smaller than Sirius A, it has a huge impact on their cosmic relationship. Sirius B used to be a massive star, but it burned out and collapsed into a white dwarf. Now it's incredibly dense and heavy. In fact, it's about the same size as the Earth. Imagine that, a star that could fit inside our planet. Sirius B has a diameter of about 12,000 kilometers, or roughly the same as the Earth. This picture illustrates the size comparison of Sirius B and Earth. Despite its small size, Sirius B has a mass almost equal to that of the Sun. This immense weight creates a strong gravitational pull, which affects the movement of Sirius A. The two stars are locked in a gravitational dance, orbiting each other every 50 years. Sirius A, being much larger and brighter, is heavily influenced by the powerful gravity of its tiny companion, Sirius B. Here, you can see a comparison of Sirius A and the Sun to scale and relative surface brightness. This dance between the stars is a reminder of the incredible forces at play in our universe. So next time you gaze at the brightest star in the night sky, remember, it's not just one star, but a dynamic duo with a powerful, dense white dwarf, Sirius B, playing a crucial role in their beautiful cosmic ballet. Sirius B might be tiny, but it's a powerful example of the many different types of stars out there. From the smallest white dwarfs to the biggest supergiants, each star has its own unique story. Aldebaran is a red giant, much larger than our Sun, with a diameter about 44 times greater. At just 65 light-years away, it's one of the brightest stars in our night sky. It is suspected to host a giant exoplanet, Aldebaran b, orbiting it. Vega is the fifth brightest star in the night sky, easily visible to the naked eye. Located just 25 light-years away, making it one of our nearest stellar neighbors. Vega spins extremely fast, completing a rotation in about 12.5 hours compared to the Sun's 25 days. Canopus is the second brightest star in the night sky, only surpassed by Sirius. The distant giant is located about 310 light-years from Earth. It's much farther than many other bright stars. Canopus is a yellow-white supergiant, about 71 times the diameter of our Sun. Spica is another dual star system. The primary star is a blue giant, and it has a smaller, equally hot companion star. Located about 250 light-years from Earth, making it relatively close on a cosmic scale. What was your favorite star in today's episode? Please tell me in the comments. Did you already have the time to check out our stellar quiz? The link is in the description below. I invite you to take part in our community of stargazers. If you want to participate, please consider a subscription or channel membership.